bit. You can see where the water changes textures and ripples. So how deep is the water right now? 10 feet. Watch that big ripple right there just before the bridge, and then watch the depth gauge as we go through.
Do you want me to throttle up a little bit?
Nope, we're doing good. We're doing good. See those guys anchored? That proves that the current's going out. Okay, watch the depth gauge now. 9, 8.9.
11.
So we're 15, 16. So we had about a 4-foot change in sandbar under the bridge. Now keep on going kind of straight towards that next bridge. And you'll see a green to starboard and a red to port. And we're going to head up that way and turn in Taylor Creek towards Harbor Town. Correct. So that was no big deal right now, but maybe in another hour the current will be a lot more exciting. So we'll try it in an hour.